Hey yo, what's going on, you guys? It's Fun2 Aviation here, back at it again with another unboxing video. And in today's video we have another Easter model haul. Yeah, I guess without further ado, let's just dive right on into this. This year I got 5 models, as you can see right here. Give you a little sneak peek what's to come there, but in classic YouTuber fashion, we're gonna start with the smallest, most lamest one first, which is this Delta Connection CRJ-200. And yeah, let's take all these other ones. Again, these will all be made into videos released 1 week apart from each other, so 5 weeks of uploads. And here we have this beautiful United CRJ-200, aka Satan's Chariot as most people call it. Definitely getting demonetized for that one, but not many people like this airplane because it's super cramped. 50 seats with I think like 21 inches of pitch, so not a lot of leg room on these airplanes. Or maybe it's a little bit more, a little bit yet less, but I don't really remember. But yeah, without further ado, let's just dive right on into it. So there is the front of the box. It is a very good looking standard Gemini Jets box. You got your Delta logo, your Bombardier CRJ-200 logo, Gemini Jets logos, all sorts of stuff like that. Here are the sides. There are the sides. Here is the back of the box. Standard Gemini Jets box. Delta doesn't like their boxes to be special. There is the flap. I'm going to try and get it so I can zoom in. There you go. Pause if you'd like to read that. Text is very small, but there is the model. It's a good looking model right there. And let's crack this baby open. Standard Gemini Jets packaging, of course. I got a CRJ-200 last year, but last year was in a United with the 1/200 scale counterpart. No 1/200 scales this year, all 1/400s. Maybe I'll pick up some 1/200s later on in the year, like I go to the airplane shop in Miami. So here is the model right there. A little bit closer. It's your standard CRJ-200 mold with just the Delta livery on it. There's no special livery on this one. And the landing gear is done correctly, unlike the CRJ-700, which has the landing gear pretty much right next to each other. And for all of you who like to see how it sits, that is how it sits. It sits normally. It's not all wonky like that CRJ-700 I have over there. This is a good addition to my Delta Connection fleet. This is the second in that. And yeah, so pretty much that's what I got there. Anyways, guys, thank you all so much for watching this video. I will see you next week for the next unboxing of the Easter model collection. Thank you all so much for watching, and until then, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.